welcome back to LearNox's another power-packed video. Let me begin by saying that being a Salesforce professional isn't just about working to make a living. It's about making a difference in the world. Salesforce trailblazers are called the superheroes of business world. They possess the power to combine the best technology with their expertise to shape a better business future. So, if you are at a career crossroad and wondering which path to take, LearNowx can help you make the best decision. Our video has everything you need to understand why choosing Salesforce should be your top career choice. Just stay tuned with us. Now, let's dive into the first reason to pursue a Salesforce career: the skyrocketing demand for Salesforce professionals. As the popularity of Salesforce continue to rise, so does the job market and demand for skilled Salesforce experts. Companies need Salesforce pros to help them work smarter, not harder. Second is the versatility. Salesforce offers plenty of career options to choose from. You can become a sales expert, a marketing guru, a customer service champion, or a top-notch developer, which means exciting choices for your dream job. The third point is money. The more you know, the more you earn. Salesforce professionals enjoy some of the highest salaries in tech industry. Salaries vary depending upon the chosen career path and skill set. Plus, the growth potential is simply mind-blowing. The fourth point is diverse industries. Salesforce caters to various industries such as healthcare, finance, retail, and many more, offering career options aligned with your interest. This means you can choose a field that truly aligns with your passion and expertise. The fifth point is easy and enjoyable learning. You can be a Salesforce expert by learning from the comfort of your home via Salesforce Trailhead, communities, and various online resources. And to make your learning easy and enjoyable, LearnOx is your one-stop shop for all your career needs. Our courses are designed to give you a real-world, hands-on experience, making your job ready from day one. To sum it up, choosing Salesforce as your career path and learning it from LearnOx is a turbo boost for your professional journey, opening a world of possibilities. So, are you ready to seize the future, skyrocket your career, and join the Salesforce revolution? Don't wait. The time to start is now. Head over to LearnOx and let the learning adventure begin. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe our channel and do not miss any updates from LearnOx.